Hi, I'm Mary. My mother is an excellent chef which perfects in traditional Egyptian cooking. I convinced her into teaching and showing people her secret and special recipes that you've never tried before and certainly you love. Today, in our first course, we will teach you how to make and prepare Egyptian fatir in our secret recipe. Fatir is like pastries, but it's deep fried in oil. So, have you been wondering what you will benefit from this course? 1. If you like tasting new food, then this is certainly a food that you love. 2. If you want to cook a unique food to serve for your family at dinners or lunches, and it's loved by kids and adults, so they'll definitely. 3. This is a food which is commonly served and at restaurants in the Middle Eastern region, and it's certainly loved. So, what are you waiting for? Cheap, easy, and delicious. Let's start.